In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Notion with GitHub. So to get started, go ahead and open notion.com on your preferred browser. Now, once you have accessed notion.com, go ahead and sign into your account using your preferred method. So you can sign in with your credentials. You can also sign in with the platform connected to your Notion account. After that, go ahead and click on Settings from here. So you'll find the settings button at the left side of your screen. Click on that. And then once you're on the settings, go ahead and head over into Connections tab. Click on Explore under Notion AI and then click on GitHub from here. So to be able to integrate your Notion account with your GitHub account, you need to go ahead and upgrade your plan into Business Plan to access the full suite of Notion AI features. So for the Business Plan, you need to provide your name, your business name, your VAT number, payment method such as your card number, expiration date, security code, and your country. Now, the Notion AI business plan is $24 per month if you would avail the monthly subscription. But if you would avail the annual subscription, you'll need to pay $20 per month per member. So you need to go ahead and upgrade your plan into business plan to be able to integrate your Notion app with your GitHub account. And that is how you can basically integrate Notion with GitHub. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.